smell. Here are delicate onions to sell. I promise to use you well. They make the blood warmer. You feed like a farmer, for this is every cook's opinion. No savory dish without an onion, but lest your kissing should be spoiled, your onions must be thoroughly boiled, or else you may spare your mistress a share. The secret will never be known. She cannot discover the breath of her lover, but think it as sweet as her own, as her own. Be not sparing, leave off swearing. Buy my herring fresh from Alhide, better never was tried. Come eat them with pure fresh butter and mustard. Their bellies are soft and as white as a custard. Come sixpence a dozen to get me some bread, or like my own herrings I soon shall be dead. Be not sparing, leave off swearing. Buy my herring fresh from Alhide, better never was tried. Come eat them with pure fresh butter and mustard. Their bellies are soft and as white as a custard. Come sixpence a dozen to get me some bread, or like my own herrings I soon